Hello everyone, so here is Sollet extension, which is I think one of the top wallets for Solana. So let's just add it to Chrome and see how that works. And let's just create a new wallet together because it has 100,000 plus users. So it's pretty cool extension. Then I can just add it to Chrome. It takes some time. It says it's checking, and then it says Sollet has been added to Chrome. So similar to MetaMask, or as I just added Phantom, and I also created another video about Phantom, so go check it out. There are a bunch of other wallets here. You can see all of them here, and then I can just go here, and I guess I just need to tap on Sollet to create new wallet. So the process of creating a wallet is super straightforward. You just tap on extension, and the first screen you will see is your seed phrase. So it can have just a lot of like seed phrase. Yeah, it's basically like in MetaMask or anywhere else. And yep, and then you just have a backup file, save that, create new password, and then you just can have that. So now, yeah, you just have a Solana wallet. You can see your domains similar to NC domains on Ethereum. You can swap tokens, migrate tokens, add tokens, sort tokens. You can select different network. So here are all of these different networks. You can import hardware wallet. You can also delete. You can see connected dApps here. So you can manage them there. So yeah. And then if you want to unlock wallet, you need to just log in with your password. So super straightforward. Yeah, if you want to restore wallet, obviously you need your seed phrase, so just store it somewhere safe. And then using Sollet wallet, you can connect to apps like RCA, which is like a decentralized exchange on Solana. So for example, on Ethereum, we have something like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, but here it is for Solana here. So there you have it. Hope it is helpful.